Alright, just a quick intro before we jump into the ride footage. I've been testing out this radar detector setup on the bike, both with the Bluetooth dongle to the Cardo and the Bluetooth to the app. But yeah, the Bluetooth to the app option didn't work so well for me. It didn't always auto connect, and there was a lot of mucking around to try and get them to connect. So that's a bit of a problem, especially if you just want to gear up and go. So I ended up ditching that completely and sticking with the AliExpress dongle option, which works fantastic. In this video, you'll see the dongle setup in action, much more reliable and no fussing around with the phone. Let's get into it.
Happy New Year, good roosters. First ride of the 2026, about the 7th or 8th of January. First ride out with the radar detector on the bike. Just getting happy with the setup at the moment. I did get away over New Year's in the car, so I took the radar detector with me and just got used to all the different alarm sounds, so trying to get in my muscle memory which one to pay most attention to, i.e. KA band, but that worked quite well. So now we're on the bike, and if I hear an alarm I know what's going on, so that's great. Pretty pleased with the setup. As you can see, there's no wires anywhere. The Bluetooth works really well, and I have secured the dongle with Velcro, and just to make sure in case I actually bump it or something, or I had a big bump in it, I've got these two hair ties just around the whole thing, just for extra security. You'll also notice that I've set the radar detector back on the magnetic power plate by RAM. That's just so I'm just a bit worried if it hangs over the front, if I catch it with a glove or something, I don't want it to catch it and flip it off when I'm mucking around trying to turn the camera on over here and I'm not looking, or I just don't want to be able to, don't worry about catching it. So I've recessed it back a little bit. Of course I can't see the display in the day. If I got down I probably could, but I need glasses these days anyway. So yeah, very happy with the setup. I'll put a link in the description of the settings that I use for here in New Zealand. Mostly pretty much just got to worry about a certain part of the KA band, but there'll be a link in the description with the settings that I use here in New Zealand. Of course, wherever you are in the world might be a little bit different, I don't know, but anyway, you'll see the settings that I'm using. It's a nice little tool to just keep you aware of your surroundings. We've got a few big rides coming up. Of course, we've got the Bird. That's like a 7 to 10 day trip that we're going to do. So I'm sure it'll get a good workout down there. That's coming up. Also, of course, the Britain Museum, the official John Britain Museum's opening in February. I will be attending, so watch out for a video on that as well. Very excited about that. It's a big moment in the history of the Brit. Anyway, that's it for now. Stay safe on the road. I'll see you out here somewhere. Catch you in the next video.